Yeah, lots of sellers use DLR dropshipping, cute styles, no need to hold any stocks. Even with one order, they will ship it for you. But sometimes someone might feedback it takes a while for delivery. But each shop based on the warehouse position and shipping options that you set up. It depends on your business model, which affects your product price and store profit. At DLR, we offer both faster and slower shipping options, so you can choose the one that is suitable for your boutique and customers. We offer annual shipping options, which is delivery duties paid. So please don't worry about the custom tax if you choose our annual shipping options. Anyway, please stay tuned on our website notices. Thank you.
Most wholesalers mark up their prices to 3 times based on the original pricing. So be sure to include the product cost and the shipping cost and the payment fee and also the profit that you want to make. That's it.